Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install Luno Bitcoin Wallet app. Let's get started. First, open Play Store in your device. At the top, tap on the search bar. Then type Luno Bitcoin Wallet app. This is the app that we will be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Make sure you have a good internet connection while installing it. Now wait for it to download. After it has successfully downloaded, tap on Open. Now you can either log in or sign up into an account, then start using the app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.